Minasan konnichiwa, konbanwa. Today I will teach you how to refine, modify, or correct what was just said by providing a more appropriate, more accurate, or more precise statement. In Japanese culture, communication values humility and indirectness to maintain harmony. So today I will teach you how to politely correct yourself or someone, or to softly adjust the statement without being blunt. Here we go. 皆さん、こんにちは、こんばんは。This is Edita and welcome again to I Speak Japanese. Today we will study the Japanese grammar Toyu Yori. The expression Toyu Yori is a Japanese grammar point used to refine, correct, or clarify a statement by offering a more accurate or suitable description. This grammar point will help you correct your message into a more precise statement. The basic structure is Statement A Toyu Yori, Statement B, where Statement A is the initial statement or description and Statement B is the corrected or more accurate description. This structure allows the speaker to refine or correct or clarify their message, making it more precise or appropriate. It can be translated in English as rather than saying A, it's more B, or it's not so much A as B, or it's more B than A. So Toyu Yori can be used with plain form of verbs, adjectives, and nouns. When using this pattern, the verbs, adjectives, and nouns are directly followed by Toyu Yori. Example, Hashirimasu is Hashiru Toyu Yori, B. Atsui desu is Atsui toyu yori, B. Shizuka desu is Shizuka toyu yori, B. Tomodachi desu is Tomodachi toyu yori, B. Take note that when using toyu yori, the copula da is typically not used. Adding da in this case would be considered unnatural or incorrect grammar. So remember, the adjective Shizuka desu is Shizuka toyu yori, and the noun Tomodachi desu is Tomodachi toyu yori. Let's have example following the basic structure Statement A toyu yori, Statement B, where Statement A is the initial description and Statement B is the corrected or more accurate description. Example, この部屋は涼しいというより寒いです。Again, この部屋は涼しいというより寒いです。In English, this means this room is more cold than cool. In this sentence, the word 寒い is more suitable description for the room. One more example. 渋谷は賑やかというよりうるさいです。渋谷は賑やかというよりうるさいです。Shibuya is more noisy than lively. Toyu yori was used in this sentence specifically for correcting or providing a more accurate statement, urusai desu. Urusai desu is the more accurate word to use for Shibuya in this sentence. Also, you can replace toyu yori with toyoka when you are uncertain or modifying what was just said. Example, 彼は賢いというか天才だ。彼は賢いというか天才だ。Meaning he is smart, or perhaps I should say a genius in English. Remember to use toyu yori for refining or correcting Statement A by providing a more accurate Statement B. It often downplays Statement A in favor of Statement B. By understanding and practicing Toyu Yori, you can add depth to your Japanese expressions, making your speech more nuanced and culturally appropriate. Thank you for watching. 皆さん、頑張ってください。